Namaskar friends, welcome to this session of Quality Hub India. Myself Aryan Vishwakarma and I am the founder CEO of Quality Hub India. This course on Lean Six Sigma Yellow Belt is being designed, developed by Quality Hub India in consultation with industry experts. In this course of Lean Six Sigma Yellow Belt, you are going to learn about the basic principles of DMAC, that is Define, Measure, Analyze, Improve and Control. So all the phases of DMAC has been explained elaborately. Along with that, you are going to learn many problem solving tools and statistical tools, which are all of basic nature, because Yellow Belt is the first step towards formal certification in the journey of Six Sigma. And once certified to Yellow Belt, you can go for Green Belt, then for Black Belt, and then further for Master Black Belt. Besides learning the DMAC approach and basic problem solving tool and statistical tool, you are also going to learn certain basic concepts of lean manufacturing or lean systems. There are some supporting tools and concepts has been also elaborated to help you learn this concept of Six Sigma. There are always questions in the mind of professional, why to go for Six Sigma? Let me just tell you, as far as an individual is concerned, everybody wants to grow in their career, and for the career growth, you would require some professional certification, some professional learnings on various problem solving tools and statistical tools, because the Six Sigma techniques are globally accepted and is a proven methodology for breakthrough improvement. Through the Six Sigma Yellow Belt certification, you are going to enhance your probabilities of getting hired, and also there are chances of getting promotion in your existing company, and of course the salary hike. Besides that, you are going to get confidence about the problem solving, because as a professional we daily encounter some or the other problems, whether we are working in manufacturing setup or in service industry. Quality of India is a Government of India registered ISO 9001, 14001 and 29990 certified organization. Our Six Sigma courses are also accredited by the Council for Six Sigma Certification. I am sure you are going to enjoy this course and would be expecting your feedback in the message section. Take care friends. Jai Hind.